13th card opening. Mail date. I did find some Donruss retail on Target.com about a week ago and got them. Picked them up. I saw fat packs once in Donruss, otherwise no other things. So we'll keep those in there. I may break up one of these and put them in my. Well, maybe I won't. Only 2 cards in the mail today. Scar Hernandez, Optic rated rookie. Picked up 2 of them, pretty cheap. Throw it in there. I like Optic Donruss Chrome, as they call it. And then we have this. This is exciting right here. I imagine you know what this is. Open this up on camera. It's here. It's here, people. Topps Update Hobby. Bubble Wrap to Oblivion. I am undetermined. Do I flip that? Do I sit on it? I don't know. I'd feel fine sitting on it if I found a second one. Right now, I wouldn't say the profit margin is huge. Anyway, typical Heritage Donruss Topps. Let's roll for 3. That's 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Pinnacle. I haven't seen that one for a little bit. 6, 2, 4, 6. Well, since we're purging the Pinnacle, that was 8. Sorry about that. 2, 4, 6, 8. Bowman Chrome. A lot of good packs today. Need to refill this. I'd start the Pinnacle. Series 1, this, and you see the 2020 Bowman Chrome for last. Got that in the boom box. Some decent cards. I think all the autos have been pulled now. So everything else we're looking for at this point is Gravy, Don Mattingly Clear Vision, Double. I mean, much like a gold tier, the double's worth more than the single. It's the double numbered. See it numbered, but it's better than the single. Thomas Neal rookie card, Will Myers rookie card. Not too bad there for Pinnacle. Put that aside. Hold on, Machado rookie Pinnacle. And a Garrett Cole. Maybe. Gio Gonzalez Aces. It's a fun looking card. Swing for the Fences. Reynolds first base. Another fun little card. Houston Street. And Luis Antonio Jimenez. Not too bad. Let me pull up the highlights there. We'll save them for the end. Guess I put Will Myers in there. The rest I'm not too sure about. Topps retail, 16 cards. Last 2 Topps Series 1 I've pulled were rookie lists. We got an 86 in here. Well, okay, let me figure out how to do this. The rookies here. Pache, Miguel, Mike Piazza, Matt Chapman. Okay. Bobby. Lord of mine. Cisco Hernandez. Was it fate? Maybe. Was that a hit from a box? I don't know. I decided Heritage was kind of a hodgepodge on that. Because that one card I thought got my hit, and then I ended up getting an auto. Nothing else going on there. Besides the relic, which is literally a napkin. Schmidt, Trout, Paul Monitor, Anthony Rizzo. Nothing too stand-up-ish there. And finally, Bowman Chrome. We have a Keybron Hayes on the back. Not bad. Eddie Rosario. Seth Brown at a 250 purple. Rookie. Brenton Doyle. 500. Clark Schmidt. And Keybron Hayes, Bowman Chrome. It's not a bad Chrome pack. Keybron is good. Brenton Doyle. Purple. Numbered. No first Bowman. Anyway. That's it for today's opening. Will Myers rookie, Mark Reynolds, Gio Gonzalez, Don Mattingly double, Matt Chapman, Pianta, Pache, Padres, and Espana, Donruss, nothing really big in Donruss, Rizzo Blue, Monitor numbered, Trout, Clark Schmidt. And then for Heritage, just a Cisco Hernandez. J Muse Relic. That's all. Good luck in your rips.